Our growth plans are really driven from our existing customers and a small base of new customers coming on in 2025. So our average customer is a Fortune 500 company, either a massive solar customer, government entity, or golf courses. It's not so much about bringing on lots of new customers, it's about getting existing customers up to scale. So looking at a customer who orders 5 units this year, pushing them to get to 10 to 20 next year, and then getting them at true scale to a couple hundred units. And that's where this model really takes off. We have to really be conscious that we're delivering good product that's operating efficiently. So we've taken a walk before we run model, and so we're delivering 25 units, which is a smaller run. We'll deliver closer to 150 units in the second run. Once we feel comfortable that those units are operating at full efficiency and our return to base statistics, or how often the unit completes its mission, is beyond 90%, we'll be able to scale up our production quite fast. Today, we certainly have a supply problem, not a demand problem. We have a massive backlog of individuals, over 3,000 requesting to order the unit. We have to be very specific about who our customer is and ensuring that they're at the right size, they have the right capitalization, and can grow with us long term. We're now at a point when the unit is at development stage, we're ready for manufacturing, and we'll eventually be ready for scale manufacturing. This next raise is really to support our go-to-market efforts, to get units in the hands of those that have pre-ordered, and to get units in the hands of our core customers who are starting to order. There will be some design for manufacturing processes to cost down the units further, continuing to do margin improvement, and we'll be building out a technical team to really assist our customers in the field and ensure our customers are operating the units successfully.